Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to delete search history on Facebook in 2025. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to Facebook application. After opening the application, click on the three-lined icon at the top right of the screen and this will take you to your profile. Here, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy option. Now click on Settings and it is going to take you to Settings and Privacy page where you'll have to click on the Search Settings option at the top, then search for Search and it will show up Search History under Account Center. Click on Search History and it will take you to this page. Now choose your account or profile for which you want to see the search history and delete it. Click on your profile and you will see all your search history appearing just right here. So simply, in order to delete any search history, click on the cross icon and this will instantly delete that specific search history on your Facebook. So this is deleting search history one by one. You can click on the cross icon and that search history will be deleted instantly. Now, in order to delete all the history at once, go back, click on this Keep Searches For option and it will show up this page where it says Auto Clear Search History. We can automatically clear your searches that are older than your selected time frame. Your choices will be applied to all your accounts and profiles in Account Center. Simply choose 3 days and click on Confirm. Now, after 3 days, every search history that you have will be instantly deleted. As you can see, now my search history has been deleted totally because I haven't searched for anything for 3 days. So when I choose 3 days, all the search history that was previously stored was instantly deleted. So that is how you delete search history on Facebook in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.